finally ready to share my awesome pastel party city haul with you guys. I am so excited. It is finally time for my party, my annual party that I have every year with my bestest friends, and I am so excited. So this year my theme is pastel purple, pastel pink, and like a minty Tiffany blue shade, and I'm really excited. So drop a like and let's jump into this video. I'm gonna move some of the stuff out of the way and really quickly show you guys what I got. We've already got some of the decor set up, as you can see, the balloons, some banners. I even got some new pictures for the living room, pillows and everything. So anyway, yeah, drop a like and let's jump into this haul. Okay, so first things first, I have to start off with this beautifully gorgeous iridescent tablecloth. You guys, it is so pretty. I absolutely love it. I did see it in a couple different colors. The others were a little bit brighter. The pink was definitely my favorite, and you guys, it is so beautiful. You know, if it didn't get dirty, it could definitely be reused, and I absolutely love it, you guys. So it is rectangular. It is actually longer than this table is. I think we fold it in half, so you could use it on a much bigger table. But yeah, it is just perfect. So one of my next favorite things that I got, which I actually have under this table, but my cat has like gone crazy on, so I had to buy a new one. You guys can see Midnight is under there right now playing around. So this right here is a mint table skirt, and I am absolutely loving it, you guys. It covers all the sides, all the legs, and this is like a fold-up, set-up table. It is not a table that I normally keep in my living room, so it was really nice to have something that, you know, hides the legs and everything. I could have really used something like that last year. There he goes again. So anyway, because he did put some holes in that, I did end up getting another one. So if you're looking for that, here it is right here. This is what it looks like, one rectangular, and it actually sticks on with like a sticky strip. Oh my goodness, there he goes. Hey, Midnight. There he goes, you guys. So yeah, this is a really awesome thing, and I totally recommend these, and they literally had them in like every color of the freaking rainbow. So I actually do have a few more tables that I am covering. I think 4 in total, including this one. So I've got this one, I've got a round table, I've got a big rectangle table outside, and then another rectangle table. So this is for the rectangle table outside, and this one is actually the flannel backed vinyl. So it has a bit of more of a matte look. I'm really sorry about the lighting, you guys. But anyway, I will show you some pictures tomorrow when it's bright and after I have it all set up, but I'm still pretty sure you can see the colors pretty well. They are all beautiful and pastel. So this is the one that I got for the outdoor table, and it is heavyweight. So, you know, I'm hoping that it wouldn't blow away with the wind and everything, and it is oblong shape, but you can get them, you know, in the square, the round, and all that. So I did get a lavender or lilac, if you want to call it, for the outside table. Then I got this one, and this is like a pastel bubblegum pink, and I got that in a round, and that will be for the kitchen table, which has a very beautiful view. And then here, this right here is going on another table that I'm going to have set up with some fruits and hors d'oeuvres and stuff like that. And let me see for you guys. Here is the case for that one, or the bag for that one, I should say. So for some reason, it says it can be 1 rectangular table or 2 card tables. So I'm still not sure yet if this is 1 piece or 2. Oh my goodness, that cat, what have you done? Okay, so you guys see what I'm dealing with here, right? So obviously, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna be setting the other one up till tomorrow, and Midnight, why are you doing this to me? So, of course, because I'm over here, Midnight is like going crazy and just totally ripped the table skirt apart. Oh my goodness. But anyway, so yes, these are the 4 tablecloths that I did get. So I got 1 in mint, 1 in pink, 1 in lavender, and then of course, like I showed you guys, I did get this gorgeous iridescent mint one over here. So I decided to go with lilac napkins. These were like, it came with so many napkins, you guys, I just couldn't say no. There was a pack that came with a little bit less that was kind of a little bit of a prettier color, but oh my gosh, you guys, this just comes with so many. And yeah, the light really isn't doing it any justice. But anyway, yeah, they had like every single color. So I did go with the lilac napkins. Now wait till I show you guys the plates. They are so cute. And now I'm really afraid that the light isn't gonna do them justice. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I did get these 24 pink and white striped paper straws. Of course, I did already have the mint from Michael's, so those will go together. So that is really awesome. Then I did end up getting 2 packs of the mint cutlery. So this is extra heavyweight. It's actually really, really nice. They did have like a cheaper version, and then they had this kind, and then they had a more expensive one. So I went with the middle one, and honestly, like, it's almost like they could be reused. Like, they look really freaking nice. I mean, I'm way too lazy to wash them and reuse them anyway, but they probably could be. Anyway, they are so pretty, so I absolutely love that color. So I did get those. These right here are the cups that I went with. So I did get some in lilac, some in like a minty baby blue, again, like a Tiffany blue kind of thing, like I said, and then some in a baby pink. They're actually a little bit lighter than they're showing up. Not sure once I add it if I'm going to be able, if that's going to change. But yes, my son did rip those ones open. But anyway, yeah, those are like a nice pastel pink, really, really pretty. So I am going to be using these. These are from Michael's. As you can see, they were only $1.50, and I thought that they would match perfectly. So I did get those as well. Now I will show you hanging on the wall. I also got some of these awesome swirls. Now I did get some of these for my last party as well. Last year I got these pink ones that you see right here with the stars on them. So this year I decided to get these turquoise ones. Now right now they are kind of blocked by the balloons, but you can kind of see them hanging there. And then I've got a couple more hanging on the other side. So I just think they are really cute. We've even got some hanging on the ceiling, and yeah, they just match the colors like perfectly. So then you've got these things over here. So there is just so many options. So these are like balloon weights, you know, but you could even just use them as a table decoration, just like that. So I did get 2 of the mint or the Tiffany blue, and I did get 1 of the pink. And I just love them with the iridescent, or not iridescent, but with the foiled stars. So pretty. So I love those. I also did get 2 containers of table scatter. And you guys don't know how happy I was to like finally actually have an excuse to buy all this stuff. Yeah, just really, really happy. Wish I had gone to Party City for other parties I had in the past. The prices actually weren't that bad, guys, compared to other places. So anyway, I did get the 2 things of table scatter, the 1 pink and the 1 in like the minty Tiffany blue color. They did have a lavender, but it was like a really, really light faded out. I just felt like it wouldn't stand out, so I didn't bother with it. I did get a tiny bit of these little tiny ones as well. I think this was only a couple dollars. Pretty much the same that you would pay if you ordered it online and had to wait weeks for it. So not a bad deal at all. So these are the pins I got. We're gonna be like using them for lasagna and stuff, or I guess you could use them for whatever you want. But I'm just filming them now because my mom is about to take them to the caterers. But anyway, they are pink and they are so cool. And literally, guys, they had like every color. So when it comes to tableware, I did go a little bit overboard, and I can admit that. But you guys, the colors were so beautiful and bright and pastel. I just could not decide and could not help myself. So originally, as some of you already know, I was gonna go with this gorgeous Martha Stewart design that has the holographic, it has the baby pink, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but these little sprinkles or stars or sparkles or whatever you want to call them, those are actually a really pretty shade of mint. So originally I was gonna go with this set, and I did get these holographic plates to match. However, that was until I went to Party City. And oh my goodness, I just fell in love with their entire collection, as you can see. And of course, I wanted everything to match. I'm pretty sure that the holographic plates are still gonna work in just fine. But anyway, I did get these beautiful bowls, which I absolutely love. So they are plastic, but they are like the prettiest color of pastel lavender, and I absolutely love them. Then I found these ones over here, and oh my gosh, you guys, I fell in love. So these ones are actually reusable. They are not dishwasher safe, or they are dishwasher safe, but they are not for microwaves. Or no, they are not dishwasher safe, but they are reusable. And I was like, oh my goodness, and they are so pretty. Just look at them with the scalloped edges. I absolutely love them. And again, totally match the entire collection. So I did get the large plate in like the teal Tiffany blue color, and I did get the small plate in the pink. Now, of course, since these ones aren't disposable and have to be washed, I didn't want to make things too hard on myself, so I did get some disposable plates as well. So I decided, seeing as I had already gone with the lilac bowls, that I would get the lilac disposable plates to match, and it comes with a whole bunch of them. I think like 20 plates or something like that. And the color is called lavender. I don't know if you can order Party City online, but that's the color, just in case you were wondering. And it is so, so pretty. So I did get those as well. Now, I did pick up a few things at Home Goods, or actually at HomeSense, but that is Home Goods if you're in the US. So I'm gonna show you guys those finds as well. And then I will show you the candy that I got at Party City, because it is all gonna match so awesomely as well. So one of the first things I'm going to show you that I got at Home Goods was these gorgeous melamine plates, and they match the whole party. They have got the mint, they have got the pink, they have got the purple, and not only that, they have got unicorns. How could they be more perfect? There was a few different designs. This one was definitely my favorite. It looks like there was bowls too. Unfortunately, there was no more bowls with these ones. These ones actually are dishwasher safe, but they are not microwavable safe, and I am so excited about them. So let's see, you guys, they were $12.99, and I can't see how many it comes with, but I think it comes with about 6 or 8, and they are so, so cute. I am just loving them. So another one of my finds from HomeSense that I am so, so excited about, and remember you guys, that is your Home Goods if you are in the US, and as you can see, I have already gotten into this one, and it is so worth it and so freaking amazing. Gourmet cotton candy, you guys, oh my goodness, it is so good. So I did not even notice or realize it at first, but you guys, if you look closely, there are rainbows on the containers. Oh my goodness. So not only is the cotton candy mint and pink, so it fits my theme perfectly, but there are freaking unicorns on the containers. Not only that, I tried it, you guys, and I let one of my friends try it who came over to help me set up, and it is so freaking good. It does not taste like regular cotton candy, you guys. Oh my goodness. So other than the fruit and vegetable and like hors d'oeuvre table that I told you guys about, this table right here is actually going to be like a sweet and dessert and candy table. So to go along with the cookies and the cakes and everything like that, and I am having a freaking awesome cake, by the way. Anyway, I'm also going to have some candy. So I did get these swirly pops right here, 24 of them. I think it was about $6.99, and they are so pretty. I'm sorry for the glare, you guys, but they are in the shade lavender as well, and they match perfectly with everything. I also did get these 25 candy sticks. Now, I don't have all of my little glass stuff out that I'm going to display them in yet, but I do still have all that stuff left over from my last few parties. So I did get the candy sticks. Then I got these 2 buckets full of candy. Once again, of course, it is all matching. So in this pink bucket here, I have a bunch of these things. They are called sixlets, and you can pretty much get them in like any color, and they basically just have chocolate inside. And then these things right here, which are basically some kind of like sucker or blow pop, only I don't think they have gum in them. And once again, they come in basically every color and they are sour. What do they say they're called? Dum-dums? I had never heard of them before, but you guys, they are really good. So I'm not going to be leaving the candy in these containers. I do have nice glass jars and hearts, like I said, that I'm going to put them in. But I did buy these containers, so I just put them in there for the sake of the video. So in here, I have a bunch of pink and like Tiffany blue bubble gum, and it is like all shiny and pearlized and so pretty. And then underneath, we have like a ton of pink and blue chocolate. So these are all gonna go in different bowls, and they are so pretty and all matching. For some reason, they had no lavender chocolates left, and like for all the candies, this was all they had for lavender. So I have a feeling someone just had a lavender wedding. But anyway, I was happy to at least be able to get the pink and the blue. So for the dessert table, I also did pick up this really cute scoop, which of course, again, matches the whole color scheme. And that is for these pastel M&Ms, and Easter is a great time to pick up pastel products. Last time I got like a bunch of Hershey's Kisses and a bunch of other stuff. If you go to Bulk Barn, you can actually scoop them out in the colors you want them. So if you wanted, you could get like all pink and mint or all blue and purple, which I've actually done before. But this time I just picked up a big bag of M&Ms because I knew that I was doing like a bunch of different colors or a few different colors anyway. So I figured it would match, and I think they're gonna look really good in the glass jars. So I did get those too. Okay, so I think that the last thing I have to show you guys is these balloons right here. So I did get a bunch of them. I actually even got a few of these like humongous balloons, and some of you may have seen these guys in pictures on Instagram or Pinterest. They are like the big, huge round balloons, so I cannot wait. These ones actually don't stay blown up as long as the foil balloons, which are so beautiful, and I wish I could just have forever. But anyway, so we're not getting these ones blown up till tomorrow, but I did get one of each in each color. I also got these balloons in Tiffany blue, so I'll probably get like about 6 of those with helium in them as well. I also got these ones, and as you can see, they are all in different sizes. So these are the lilac, and then I got a bunch of the pink as well. So I'm really, really excited for tomorrow, you guys. I think everything looks great. Oh wait, I do have one more thing to show you guys. So here is actually a little sneaky peek of some of the other stuff that I picked up when I was at Home Goods. You guys, isn't it so cute? Oh, I just love it. Okay, so that is everything for my pastel party haul for today. I will definitely add on some pics and maybe even some video clips of the tables after they are all set up, because I know you guys are definitely going to want to get a look at them. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.